KV69AYB. Kilo Victor 69 Alpha Yankee Bravo. Oh, it didn't go through that one, huh? Kilo Victor. Why you go through the red light, man? Why you go through the red light?
I thought there was no car on the other side.
I'm going to report it to the police. Do you know what this is? How many points is it worth?
There was no.
After you. You can argue that to the police. He's right, there was no car. He's still going to stop though. It's clean, not broken. If the lights were broken, then you can go through. Once you're sure they're broken.